Good morning. This is Miss Kellis here, showing you a quick and easy experiment to show you why it's important to wash your hands with soap to get rid of the germs. For this experiment, you're going to need water, a clear dish, black pepper, and Dawn. Now the water we will pour into our container. This will be our hands. And we get germs on our hands all throughout the day by touching toys, doorknobs, money. This will be the germs that we get. So we'll sprinkle these germs all over our hands. Now we have a dish full of pepper. We'll take some soap and put it on our finger. I hope you can see it. Then we will place it in the pan. And if you can see, the pepper goes to the sides to show you that soap gets rid of the germs. I hope you like this experiment. See you soon.